In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Folk CRM for recruiting. Whether you're managing candidates, tracking prospects, or organizing your recruitment process, Folk CRM can streamline your workflow. Stick around till the end because I'll share a special bonus and how you can try Folk CRM for free. Folk CRM is a simple but powerful tool designed to help recruiters and teams manage their candidate pipeline. You can keep track of every candidate interaction from initial outreach to interviews, all in one place. What's great about Folk CRM is its flexibility. It doesn't have the overwhelming complexity of other CRMs, making it easy for recruiters to use without feeling bogged down by unnecessary features. One of the first things you'll notice is how easy it is to import your contacts into Folk CRM. Whether you're bringing in candidates from email, LinkedIn, or any other platform, it takes just a few clicks to organize them into your system. Folk CRM also helps you tag and categorize candidates based on your hiring process, so you can filter through your database without any hassle. When you're recruiting, it's vital to stay on top of communication with your candidates. Folk CRM makes it simple to add notes to each candidate's profile, keeping everything organized. You can track emails, messages, calls, and even schedule reminders for follow-ups directly within the platform. This means no more sifting through your inbox or calendar. Everything you need is in one place. Another great feature for recruiting is Folk CRM's automations. You can set up personalized workflows for different stages of your recruitment process, like sending out follow-up emails after an interview or reminding yourself to schedule a second interview. This helps save time while ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. If you're recruiting as part of a team, Folk CRM makes collaboration easy. You can assign tasks, share notes, and track a candidate's progress in real time. It's perfect for teams that need to stay aligned without confusion. Plus, Folk CRM integrates with a range of other tools, so it can easily fit into your existing stack. But the best part? You can try Folk CRM for free with our exclusive bonus link below. If you're new to CRM systems or just looking for a solution that's perfect for recruiting, Folk CRM's simplicity and power make it the ideal choice. Remember, if you're ready to jump in and take control of your recruiting process, you can access a completely free trial through the link below. It's a no-risk opportunity to see how Folk CRM can improve your workflow and keep your candidates organized. So, to recap, Folk CRM for recruiting offers a flexible, intuitive system for tracking candidates, automating workflows, and collaborating with your team. The simplicity makes it easy for anyone new to CRM systems to get started without feeling overwhelmed. Click the link below to start your free trial today and take advantage of our exclusive offer. Make sure to check the link in the description for your extended free trial of Folk CRM. And don't forget to hit that button to get started with one of the easiest to use CRM solutions available for recruiters.